absolutely believe that the commitments that pharma made last year, the way that pharma entered into the conversation is really point on in the things that we need to do to finally, adequately, and fully address this issue from a healthcare standpoint. So if we start with open and honest communications, we're going to get far. Health disparities, of course, are imperative for us to address, and advocating for policies and clinical research that begins to ask and answer the questions that need to be asked and answered around health disparities. And of course, our business practices, who we do business with, who we partner with, who are sharing responsibility for getting the important work of the pharmaceutical industry done. And last but not least is trust. It is critically important for us as an industry to earn the trust of the community that we want to serve and to address issues around systemic racism. We have to say out loud what it is. We have to wrestle it to the ground and try and fix the elements as much as we can. So racism is a pervasive and systemic issue that has profound adverse effects on health. COVID-19 reawakened some of us and awakened some of us, but here it is front and center, and the statistics are quite stunning, actually. So Black and Hispanic Americans are 3 times more likely to contract the disease and twice as likely to die from it. And Black patients were 5 times more likely to test positive for COVID-19 than persons identifying as other racial groups. If we think about just at the beginning of life, U.S. infant mortality is more than 2 times higher for Black infants than white infants. And U.S. infant mortality for American Indians and Alaskan Natives is 2 times higher than it is for white infants. U.S. maternal mortality for Black women is 3 to 4 times higher than it is for white women. And again, we could do statistics for a while on the whys, food deserts, healthcare deserts. We could go on and on about the contributing factors to poor health and poor health outcomes. But I want to make sure that we're not just talking about it, that we're doing something about it.